Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've seen the last video, that was me trying to filet crochet for the first time. You might know that I didn't finish the dress, and this is what this video is for. So if you're back from the last video, welcome back. Let's try to finish this piece. And if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it for you, or you can just keep on watching this video. This is where we left off. So we are currently having like a very short dress. And this is what the piece looks like if it's not on my body. And there's a lot missing. So I can show you. So this is the pattern I drew. The green lines are where I have to do 2 instead of 1 because I started adding some more stitches in between so that the dress fits around my hips, because I kind of didn't calculate that in that my waist here is definitely smaller than my hips. So that's that. We are currently, I think, somewhere here, and this we still need to do. I'm a bit scared that I designed the pattern too short because I don't think that finishing this part will be enough to cover my legs. But we will find out in this video. So I would say let's start continuing with this project. I'm gonna make myself a matcha now, and then I have to clean my desk because here's no space for crocheting. I don't know why my desk always starts to look like this after a day. I'm actually very excited to start finishing this project. I want to see the dress. I really want to see it, and I really want to see if like the illusion, do you say that? I don't know if you say it like that in English, but if you like can't tell that there are flowers crocheted on the dress in the end, because currently, I mean, you can tell, but you kind of also don't. Let's start. Still such a mess, like here in my crochet area of my apartment. I have like my yarn from not my brand here, and here on this tiny little shelf I have some of my own yarn, like this also mine, mixed with like leftover yarns I have. And these boxes are like, I think 25% filled with still like leftover yarn from drop 1. So they're still here in my apartment. Yay! It's January 29th. And I promise I did a lot, but it doesn't look like it. This is where we're at. It looks like nothing but one row, like from here to here, takes so long. Anyways, I think we are now at like mini dress length. But I want the dress to be full body. Like I want it to be a long, long dress. I hate myself for this. Already, and it's the first project of the year. Oh, it's going great. Anyways, I wanted to update you. That's where we're at, January 29th. Done for today. Hi, I'm back with another update. Guys, it is Friday, the 31st of January. Today was the first day of Fashion Week, and tomorrow is the day where I'm going to 2 shows where I think this dress that we are currently crocheting would be a very nice fit. But the problem is I don't even have 24 hours left. I don't even have 12 hours left, I think. Oh no, I have 12 hours left. But in these 12 hours, I have to sleep at least 8. And the problem is the dress. So this dress is at this length, which is actually not bad. I expected it to be worse. But anyways, it is knee length. But also, the other problem is, I did 2 balls of yarn already. And I only have this from the 3rd one left, which is not a lot, and this one, which is also, like I also started this one, which is not a lot. So I'm kind of afraid that my yarn isn't even enough. So let's see how far we can get with this yarn. I'm gonna crochet till I'm falling asleep while crocheting for tonight. There's no going back. I want to finish this. Let's see. Wish me luck. I'm gonna update you. It is the next day. I finished the pattern yesterday. So I'm currently at this row, and this means because we are not at the end of the dress that I have to continue with the pattern. I have to draw again. I just wanted to show you this. And I found some more yarn, like this one and this one I found yesterday, and the other 2 leftover yarn balls are already in here. So I'm gonna do that now. And then I will let you know. I'm gonna mark where I currently am. I am here. And now I'm gonna draw some more rows. I'm currently on Pinterest looking for a more like flower inspo. But I don't know, I like this too, but I think it doesn't really match the vibe. Because I did more these kind of flowers, tropical flowers, I don't know what they're called. I want to do something here and here, but I don't know what. So I'm gonna look up some inspo, try to find anything that I also like. This is also pretty. That's very cute. I think this is way too big also. Guys, I wore the dress yesterday. Here it is. But the only problem is, I'm gonna show you some pictures. The only problem is I had to stop crocheting and put it together on like the side before I could finish the length. So let me show you where we are currently at. I designed a few more rows. I wanted to do the ends like this. Let's see if that works out. That's just an idea I had in mind. And I finished here. Because I had to leave. So this also means I have to open up the dress again. But the good part is that when I tried it on, it looked amazing. So this also means I can now finish these last 20 rows or something, knowing that it will look good in the end. And I really want to do this now because I'm leaving in not even a week to Bali again, and I want to finish this before that and take some pictures with it. Yeah, so here we go again. Let's continue. Friday, the 7th of February, and this is where I'm at, so I'm almost at the end. I'm now starting with the last row of like the pattern where it is one row. And here I'm now, like, I have to start with like leaving some parts. I still don't know how to do this. I'm now playing around with it, but that's where I'm at. Also, I didn't film the last days because I'm doing a juice cleanse. Never did that before. I'm on my last day. I did 3 days of juice cleanse, and I'm also on my period. So I am doing amazing. Not. But yeah, so I have no choice but crochet for the rest of the day. So I now want to finish it so that I can shoot some pictures tomorrow, because I'm heading to Bali on Sunday. So not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow. Yeah, that's an update, and now I'm gonna continue. Guys, look at this. This is gonna be like the trimming at the end. I love it. Can you see like these? I think it's gonna look cute. I'm gonna do that on like all the way here. And I think it's gonna be very sweet. I love it. Just wanted to show you this. Gonna update you when I did it on all of them. I'm gonna do this for 4 times now, and then I'm gonna show you the final dress. Oh my gosh. This is gonna feel so real, trust me. I cannot believe what I'm about to say. The dress is finished. Now we only have to try it on, and I hope the sun comes out a bit so I can take some cute videos for you. Anyways, I'm gonna try this on now and say thank you for watching this video. See ya in the next video. Probably a Bali vlog. Let's see. And yeah, I can't wait to start another crochet project. This was the first project of my year, of our year. So comment down below if you have any ideas, because I currently don't. And yeah. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Sending love. Bye.